Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Shizuku on Android and what is Shizuku app and how you can set up the app. So the Shizuku app is a free utility tool for those who need elevated privileges for various applications. So, unlike the traditional root method, this app will leverage the Android Debug Bridge or ADB interface to grant programs the necessary permissions without fully rooting the device. So, this is according to the softonic.com. And here, if you want to install the Shizuku app, what you need to do is just first enable the developer mode first on your phone. So you need to go to the settings on your phone, scroll down and go to the about phone settings, and in here click on the software informations, and you'll see the build number. So just tap on that to become a developer. Okay, so now you need to add I need to add enter the pin, so I'm going to skip this part. Okay, so now I am a developer. After enabling the developer mode, so you can just go to the Play Store and download the Shizuku app. So click on the search column and find Shizuku, this one. Click on install. Just wait until the installing process is done. Okay, so after the installation is completed, you can just click on open, and you can see now the Shizuku is currently not running. So what you need to do is just click on the pairing options in here, and in here you need to interact. Okay, you can just click on enable the all of the Shizuku notifications, and let's just go back. Okay, so the Shizuku needs to access local network. So what you need to do is enable the wireless debugging. So you can just click on the developer options in here, and you can just scroll down until you find the USB debugging and also the wireless debugging. So just click on allow, and let's go back. Okay, you need to enter the code in the notifications to complete. So let's see if there is the notifications. So after you enable the wireless debugging, you just wait for the 6-digit code sent by the Shizuku team, and after you can just enter the code to successfully pairing the Shizuku with your phone, with your device. And after that, you can run the Shizuku apps on your phone without having to root it or connect it to a computer. So that's basically all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.